This car looks insane. I really don't know, guys, and I'm not even gonna say. Like right here, I'm pretty sure this is where you be buying Ferraris. Oh, those look comfy. Hopefully I can review one of these one day. Perfect spec right there. Alright guys, so right now we're in the trophy room. Oh my god. So yeah, this is a screaming naturally aspirated V12. See what's inside of here. I need a Ferrari. The F8 Spider, so you can see. Hey yo, what's up guys? I hope y'all are doing great. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And well, let's just say that today this is part of my birthday celebration, and due to that I am here at the Ferrari dealer of Houston. So you know, guys, I guess wish me luck, guys. Hopefully we don't get kicked out or something, and hopefully they're cool with us filming and stuff, you know. My birthday is in September 21st, but we're celebrating today because we really won't have time any other date. And I am pretty nervous right now, guys. I ain't gonna lie. Seeing all these like beautiful Ferraris, Ferrari of Houston. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's an 812 Superfast in there, and there's also like I don't even know the name, but it's like a super. It looks like a race car version of a 488, and it's not a pista though. It doesn't look street legal. And there's also a 488 Spider, and yeah, I don't even know what other cars there is, but we're about to go inside right now, guys. So yeah, meet you inside. Okay, guys, so we're inside, and it looks super cool in here. There's this race car right here, guys. This car looks insane. Look at that. It has some radio system. And, ooh, interesting. Oh my god. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like full-on race car, bro. Oh my god, and you can see the engine too. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm in shock right now. Look at that wing. Look at that's a real wing right there. And then there's this 488 Spider, brand new. Oh my goodness, look at the size of those brakes. They're massive. Oh my god, you can see that huge intake down there. Oh my goodness, this car. Oh my god. Hopefully one day I can buy one of these, guys. Look at that blue interior. This is a pista. Oh my god, this is a pista. So that means that this car is like 500k or something like that. Yeah. Huge Ferrari logo. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, look at that car right there. Oh, this is I really don't know, guys, and I'm not even gonna say any names because I don't want to get any Ferrari fans mad, but this car looks so sick. It's a classic Ferrari. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yeah, guys, and like right here, I'm pretty sure this is where you be buying Ferraris. If I were to buy a Ferrari, for example, there's like a whole bunch of stuff. Like there's all those leathers and stuff. Yeah, and I'm not sure what that is. That looks like luggage. Yeah, there's all these colors, and I'm pretty sure you can put that on the interiors. Those are some Ferrari wheels. Those are, in my opinion, those are the best looking. Those look clean too. Oh my god, here are the massive Ferrari rotors. Oh, the steering wheel. Oh my goodness. I want to get a Ferrari now, guys. All the colors and stuff. Ooh. Seats. Ooh, those look comfy. Ooh. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. And there's an 812 right there. That 812 looks so clean. Oh my goodness, look at that blue color. And it's got red accents in the interior. Ooh. My goodness, look at that. Oh, this car looks gorgeous. Hopefully I can review one of these one day. This car is so clean. Oh my goodness. Oh look, there's a Porsche 911R over there. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Look at that. Oh my. I think those are carbon ceramic brakes. Oh my goodness. Look at the interior. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a manual too. Oh my god, this car looks so cool. 911R. I don't know, I'm not sure guys, I'm not even sure, but I think this has the 4-liter GT2 RS engine in it. Oh my goodness. Look at that, that's perfect spec right there. A red 812. Oh my god. Look at that beautiful 812 super fast. Oh my goodness. Just look at that. That car is gorgeous. Oh my god. Look at that. I need a Ferrari. Honestly guys, I need a Ferrari. I don't even want a Ferrari. I need it. I will have this car one day. Alright guys, so right now we're in the trophy room, which the car I showed earlier, that's in that image right there. This is a trophy room, and that car right, that 488 race car won the 24 hours of Le Mans, as I was told, and it won also a lot of these trophies, which, just look at that, there's a full room with trophies. And then if you walk down here, there's also an F1 car, some more cool stuff, and then you can see a lot of stuff with Ferrari. You can see there's like a whole timeline of Ferrari cars, 70, and a lot of images. And I'm trying to see. Oh, look, that's the F40. There's also like a whole bunch of Formula 1 race cars down here as well. And F50, 360, Spider, 612, 458 Spider. That car's legendary. And then a GT4 Lusso, which is like a hatchback. And right here, super cool, there's an engine, a Ferrari engine right here, and so that's how it looks like. I'm pretty sure that's the pressure plate, so this is where it connects to the transmission. And yeah, it looks super long, so I'm guessing, let's see, let's count, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is a B12. Yeah, because there's a, yeah, you can see there's the alternator. Oh my god. So yeah, this is a screaming naturally aspirated B12. Oh my goodness guys, look at that, check that out. And then the top is carbon fiber with a Ferrari emblem in it. This is so cool guys. Okay guys, so we're out already, and this was pretty cool. We got to see a lot of cool Ferraris. We got to see that award-winning 488, and now I know the reason it looked so beat up. That car went through the 24 hours of Le Mans, which is one of the toughest races ever, and it won. So now I see why it was the way it was, and that was so cool. And also we were in there, and the what I believe was the manager was a super cool guy. and he got me this press kit of a Ferrari, the F8 Spider. So yeah, I'm gonna put it inside. Ooh, that coming sounds good. Oh, it was pretty loud. Anyways, yeah, so we got this Ferrari press kit, and let's see what's inside of here. So there's this drawing of an F8 Spider. Let's put it there. Then we also got this right here, and yeah, let me try to open it up without breaking it, guys. Okay, guys, so I got to open it without breaking it, surprisingly. And as soon as I open this up, we can see what's inside. So there's what looks to be super special Ferrari paper, which I will lay down in the same place I laid the drawing. And then we're in this dark tunnel because it's the freeway and stuff. And yeah, there's the Ferrari course. And then we put that over there along with the Ferrari truck. And then there's these super cool images of the F8 Spider. So you can see, got that right there. Put it in the same place. We got this other super cool shot of an F8. We got a shot of the rear. Oh, that looks so good. And yeah, we got many images. We also got one of another angle, like kind of like up, and same thing of the rear, but right here we actually get some interior. And then right here another front angle, and this is so cool, guys. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, so thank you so much to Ferrari of Houston for all of this. You know, they had some really cool cars and stuff, and they also gave me this, which I am very thankful of. I will keep this for many years until I buy one of those. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I guess this is the end of the video. So yeah, guys, see you later in the next one.